Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are fixing the annoying loading chunk failed error on Discord. So if your Discord won't load or shows a blank screen, you can just go ahead and follow up these steps in order to fix it. Start by clearing the Discord cache. So for that, if you have opened the Discord like this on your screen, you can close it off completely. For that, hit Windows plus X and go over to Task Manager and open it up. And once you open up your task manager, what you can do is you can find Discord here. You can right click on Discord once you find it up. And you can just go ahead and close up Discord, right click on it, cut the end task, and complete the process. And you can restart your Discord once again. And also you can clear up the cache. For that, hit Windows plus R. And there, just go ahead and type in %app data %. And once you do so, hit enter. And from here, you can just go ahead and open up the Discord folder, this one right here. And just go ahead and delete the unnecessary cached file available. You can just go ahead and select it up and hit Windows Shift plus Delete, and you can permanently delete up the file that are available and close this up. And you can restart the Discord and check if it works. Also run Discord as an administrator, find Discord and right click on it. After that, you can look at this option called Run as Administrator and complete it up. That will give Discord the permission it needs to load properly. Also, make sure that your internet connection is stable. You can go over to Wi-Fi section right here and try switching it between Wi-Fi and mobile hotspot if needed, as a weak connection can cause those kind of errors on your Discord. Also, update Discord. You can just go ahead and hit Windows plus R, and there just go ahead and type in %local app data and type in % once again. After that, hit enter and select the Discord folder from here, open it up, and just go ahead and download the latest version of Discord, look out for update.exe and open it up, and you can just go ahead and install it. You can also do it from their official website and reinstall it. And that's it. The error should be now fixed. So if this video helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more fixes. Drop a comment if you're still having trouble, and thank you for watching.